Hello my dear aspirants, how are you all? Are you having trouble in solving square arrangements? Don't worry, I will help you out with some tips and tricks. But before proceeding, I would like to provide you some information about square arrangements. When we talk about a square arrangement, we refers to a square object. This object can be anything. This object can be a table. This object can be a square shaped garden. This object can be anything. Okay, so here you are provided with the information where there is a square object and there are some people who sits around this square object, right? Our question generally relies on square shaped table, so I have taken a square shaped table, as you can see, and here are the persons who are sitting or standing. You can, whatever you want to consider it, they are standing or sitting around this square table, right? So this is how our things are going to be happening. So let's just proceed to the question, but before that I would like to tell you that this is the eight person, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, right? 8-person square arrangement. It can be also a 6-person square arrangement, 1 2 3 4 5 6 also, right? And it can also be a 4-person square arrangement. It can be anything. It depends upon the question, what data you are provided with. So let's just proceed to the question and try to figure out how are we going to be solving the question. So here is the question. I would like to say that please pause the video if you are watching it in a recorded way, right? Please pause the video, have a screenshot, or try to solve it by yourself, and then we will proceed towards solving the question. So here is my question and here is the arrangement. But before that I would like to mention, in the real-time examination you are not required to draw this kind of figure, this kind of animated figure, not at all. In real-time examination you have to draw a square shape object like this, where all these persons are sitting like this. So these are the places where these persons are sitting. So let's just consider A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and this is the way they are sitting, and you have to draw a diagram like this. You don't need to draw a 3D diagram or kind of stuff like this, that one person sitting here, one person sitting here, one person sitting here, and so you don't need to do that. Okay, so this is just for your better understanding. I have made it an 3D kind of animated diagram where you can have a better view of the question, right? So let's just proceed to our question without wasting any of our time. So let's just see what it is. It's talking about 8 friends. We have 8 friends, okay, no problem. And these 8 friends are sitting around a square table, and all of them are facing towards the center. So if this is the center of a table, all of them are facing towards the center. So all of them are facing towards center, right? You can see it's supposed to be happening like this. All of them are facing towards center, and they all like different news channels, okay? And also it has provided you that 4 of them are sitting at the corner. So this green guy, this blue guy, they are the person who are sitting at the corners, and 4 of them are sitting at the middle. So this gray, both yellow, and one with the orange, this orange guy, they are sitting in the middle of a table, right? So this is our arrangement, and they all like different kinds of news channels. Okay, so till here, from here to here, we are having a basic information about the question. Now we will proceed towards our question. G does not like News 24. Okay, do I know anything about G? So I'm not going to be starting my question with G. Okay, so an India News. Okay, C likes ABP News and sits second to the left of the one who likes Aaj Tak, and Aaj Tak who sits middle of the site. Okay, one concrete data has been provided to you, and what it is Aaj Tak. Aaj Tak is the guy who is sitting at the middle. So let's just say that this orange guy is the person who likes Aaj Tak channel, okay? And what related information is provided to you? So it's saying that ABP News sits second to the left of the one who likes Aaj Tak. So if this guy likes Aaj Tak, second to the left would be this yellow guy, because all of them are facing towards the center. So second to the left would be yellow guy. So the yellow guy likes ABP News, okay? So the yellow guy is like ABP News. Now C, also ABP News is related to whom? C likes ABP News. So this yellow guy is C, okay? Now it's been telling you that G does not like News 20. Okay, so we are done with this line, C till here. 3 people sits between the one who likes Aaj Tak and D. Now 3 people sits between the one who likes Aaj Tak and D. So this orange guy likes Aaj Tak. 1, 2, 3, D. You can either go from the right side, you can either go from the left side, as this is the 8 people arrangement. 3 persons after the one who likes Aaj Tak would be D, and this is the D. So this gray guy is D, okay? And D who likes DD News. So D likes DD News. That's simple. B does not like India News. I don't know about B anything. Alright, so I'm not going to be placing this point right now. Now H sits immediate left of D. If this is D and this guy is facing towards the center of a table, so what will be his left? His left will be this guy, this blue guy. And who is this blue guy? H sits immediate left of D. So this becomes H. This blue guy is our H. Now E sits diagonally opposite to G. Now have a look at this. E sits diagonally opposite to G. What does this mean, diagonally opposite? If this guy sits here, just opposite will be here. If this guy sits here, this is diagonally opposite, right? So you just have to find the points diagonally opposite. Where can you put E and G? So D, no, not possible, as D is already sitting here. Can I put E and G diagonally opposite? Not possible. So this vertical lines get eliminated. Now green line, 2 places vacant, yes. So these 2 lines are possible for me. Can I see another thing? No. Here H is sitting. Have a look at this. Here H is sitting. Can I put G and E? No. So this line also gets eliminated. H and ABC, ABP, and this yellow guy is C. So this line also gets eliminated. So only I have left with this diagonal lines, right? So this diagonal line, the green guys are the person. What are the person? Who are the persons? E and G. So this green guy can be either E, or this green guy can be either E or G. I don't know who is E or G, but I know that these 2 are the only places where I can put E and G. So I have just placed them. Now the one who likes India News sits diagonally opposite to the one who likes News 18. India News, News 18. Just try to find out Aaj Tak, DD News. Is it possible? No, not possible. ABP News, C. Is it possible? No. Yellow guy is also not possible. I want a diagonal position. As we did earlier for the E and G, we are going to be doing same for the persons with News 18 and India News. Okay. So News 18, India News. These are the only 2 places we are left. H. Okay. So these are the 2 places. H and these blue guys are the places, and E and G are the places for India News and News 18. So let's just hold this point. Now H does not like India News. H is not the guy who likes India News. So just write here India News and cut it. So you will remember, will not forget. The one who likes NDTV sits immediate left of the one who likes ABP. So ABP News is liked by whom? C likes ABP. So NDTV would be this guy. Okay. So this condition gets eliminated here. I was having places for India News and News 18. As I placed NDTV here, is it possible to put India News and News 18 diagonally opposite to each other? Not at all, not possible. If this guy is, only these 2 places are left now to put them. If this guy is not liking India News, so definitely this guy is going to be liking News 18. Simple. And this guy, this blue guy, is going to be liking what? India News. India News. Okay. Done. Now A does not sit next to C, and he does not like Aaj Tak. So I cannot place A here. I cannot place A here. Okay, this blue guy is also not A, because what it's telling you that A does not sit next to C. Next to C would be this place and this place. So here I was only having a vacant place to put A, because E and G is already sitting here. So A would be A can come at this place, but it's telling you that A will not come at this place. A also not like Aaj Tak, so only one place remains where you have to put A, and that one place is this yellow guy. This yellow guy becomes A now, right? Done. We are done with it. So now let's move to the next point. C. A is not next. Okay, we are done with this point. The one who likes India TV sits second to the left of D. So India TV second to the left of D. This is D. Second to the left would be A. A likes India TV. It's clearly mentioning you. Okay. Have we left any other point? Yes. In the starting we left that G does not like News 24 and India News. Okay, so G is not the guy who left. Okay, this is India News. We are fixed with it. We are only left with News 24. Where are gonna be putting News 24? This is the only place to put News 24, and it's been telling you that G does not like News 24. So this guy would be E, who likes News 24, and NDTV is liked by G, and we are done with this. We are only left with one person, and who is that one person? AB. Okay, two persons are left. No, two persons are left. Have a look at this. Who's the next guy? Three people sit between the one. H does not like India News. Okay, H does not like India News. We're done with H. H is fixed. A B C D E F C D E F F and G. F and B. F and B. We are left with F and B. So any point related to B. B does not like India News. Have a look at this. B does not like India News. So this guy cannot be B. So this guy will be, and F will come at this position. Done. Done. The question is solved now. And that's how we solve questions in some good way, right? You have to just look after the points and try to have points that can be fit, and the points that are related to the point that you have already fixed, try to grasp that point, and ultimately by combining each and other points, you are gonna be making the question looks very simple to you, right? So that's how you have to solve the questions, and I think this is the only diagram you are going to be making in the real-time examination. Thank you so much for watching the video. Do comment and tell me if I need to make any changes in my teaching style or any kind of stuff. I would appreciate your feedback. Do give a proper feedback. What should I do? And thank you so much. Keep working hard for your examinations and always keep smiling.